Are you facing the problem of not being able to create a new Facebook Business Manager? Right now in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem and you will create your new Facebook Business Manager. So let's go to our normal website, business.facebook.com/overview. Yeah, so just enter, go to business.facebook.com/overview. So once you get to that normal place, click on create. I know you've done this before, but let's do it again. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I want to create a new Facebook Business Manager for the agency, Zenith Advertising. Yeah, let's make it Zenith Advertising 2. Yeah, so your Facebook name, mine is Iben Sales. Put your email here. I'm putting Zenith Advert at gmail.com. Yeah. So once you are done, you will click on submit like the normal step. What it's going to bring for you too is what? Unable to create account. You can't use this feature right now. So I've gotten a solution to this. So just go to new. So after seeing this, unable to create account, which is the problem you are presently facing, in fact, not only you, but majority of advertisers and people using Facebook to advertise are facing. So the next thing I will just show you right now that will solve this problem is to go to a new tab, and search for Touch VPN extension. So this is a Chrome extension. So just click on enter, and you are going to see it. The first option you are going to see, Touch VPN. So click on it. After clicking on it, you are going to see it right here. Now add to Opera. Add to Opera. Meanwhile, I'm using Opera Mini. I'm using Opera. So that's why it just shows me add to Opera. Your own, if you are using Chrome, it will show you add to Chrome. But here I'm using Opera. So it's just checking. After that, it's going to add as an extension to this browser. It's going to be added as an extension to this browser. Then we can use it. Let's wait for it a little bit. Yeah, it has been added. Let me just close this tab. Come back to my initial one, which is where we are presently having problem. All you have to do is just to click on it, click on the extension. So best choice, click on United States. Now we are in United States of America. Click on connect. So now you can. So I don't know why this thing is bouncing me back. Just let us create it back. Zenith Advertising. Maybe because I've just changed my location, that is why the thing is just bouncing me back. I don't know why. Zenith Advert at gmail.com. So can you see? So we've already turned on the Touch VPN. We've turned on our location into United States of America. So just let us submit and see what it's going to bring for us. Obviously, I'm very sure it is going to allow us, and it's going to create our business manager. Let's wait for it. Maybe that's network. That's network. Yeah, our business manager has been created. Confirm your email address. So now you can go and confirm the email address. The business manager is already live. That is how to create your own business manager as well if you are also having the problem. The network is not going well here. It's loading. Can you see? So we are already in the dashboard. Yeah, so you can now start creating your advert account. It says verify your email to continue. Now go to your Gmail to go and verify it. To go and verify, then you have your new business manager. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More videos like this are still coming and are going to be flooding your feed, your YouTube feed very soon. See you later and have a beautiful day.